Assalamu alaikum. In binary number systems, we have two numbers, zeros and one. As our lecture today is arithmetic operations of binary numbers, and our main focus will be on addition only. In this tutorial, only ones and zeros will be added to each other while we have to perform additions of binary numbers. And let's consider the scenario where remember that additions of binary numbers is always performed column wise. So when first case, when 0 plus 0 will get us 0, case 2 0 plus 1 get us 1, 1 plus 0 will get us 1, and 1 plus 1 will get us 2. Okay, let me write it 2 as a decimal and decimal form, decimal number system. This is 2 now, but as we know that this is an acceptable and binary representation, so the binary representations of 2 can be done easily. That's why I recommend that you should watch our first lecture where I introduce binary numbers, and here I will tell you that how we can represent this 2 in binary number systems. Okay, each digit in a binary number system represents a power of 2. Starting from the rightmost digit, let's break down the binary representations of 2. So if we have 2, let me write as 2 into a coefficient plus 2. So here we have power of 0, and here we have a power of 1 and 2. I have to write something in this blank area which will get us 2. The rightmost digit is 0, which represents 2 raised to power 0. So here this coefficient must be 0. And the next digit is 1. Why? Because which represents 2 raised to the power of 1. So this will be 1. And my first lecture, I told that we have to mention the coefficients without its powers or base. So its coefficient is 1 and this one is 0. So 2 can be represented as 1, 0 in binary number system. So here we have to write it this way. 1, 0. It's not 10, it's 1, 0. Now another scenario which may come across, that will be like sometimes we will get 1 plus 1 plus 1, and decimal number system it get us 3. Now what will be the representation of 3 in binary number system? Same, we will do the same thing. Like look at here, starting from the rightmost, so as we can change plus 2 raised to power 1 and 2 some coefficients. Okay, this is equal to actually 1. So if we get this one 1 over here, which will 1 into 1 will get us 1. Changing the color, so here it will be 1 and here also 1. So these 1 into 2 will get us 2 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 3. So instead of writing this one, we will write this 3. Actually 3 has a binary representations equal to 1, 1. This is binary representation of decimal number 3. When there will be cases where we have to make a carry, so this will be written and this the leftmost will be carry. Okay, now having these in mind, let's jump into example. By summarizing, we get 0 plus 0 will get us 0, 0 plus 1 will also get us 1, 1 plus 0 will get us 1, and 1 plus 1 will get us 2, which has a binary representations of 1, 0, and where we have this scenario, this 0 will be written and 1 will get carried, and usually this we got a carry, so that's why 1 plus 1 plus 1 will get us 1, 1 or 1 plus 1 equal to 3, but it has an equivalent representations of 1, 1 in binary number system. So these ones and orange colors are actually that are carry or that will get carry. Now let's start solving our questions. So the first questions will be, so we have our first question, and in this question our agent is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and the addend is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So as I told you that additions of binary number is done in columns, so here we have 1 plus 1 and we get this answer. So we have 0, 0 is the answer and 1 will be carry. Now 0 plus 1 will get us, 0 plus 1 will get us 1, and this one added to this one, so again we get this same scenario. So 1 plus 0 will get us 1. 1 into 1 will be equal to 0, and again 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, we get this scenario, and here it will be equal to 1, and again 1 carry. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 0. So 2, and 2 has a representation of this one, so we will get 0, and 1 is carry for this one. So 1 plus 0, 0 will get us 1, and this 1 plus 1 will get us 2, and 2 has a representation of this 1 0, so we have to put 0, and as there is no more digits, so we have to write it as a whole. When the answer or the sum is 1 0 1 0 1 0 0. Now next example. Now we have to add 1 1 1 plus 1 0. In order to do so, let us write adjacent is 1 1 1 and addend is 1 0. Now let's me add 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 will give me 1. 1 1 is get us 2, or this scenario where 0 will be written and 1 will get carry. So 0 and 1 will get carry. Now 1 plus 1 will be 0 1, as there is no more column, so 1 will be written as this one. So you can write it as 1 0 0 1 base 2. Now another example, and we have to add binary number 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 plus binary 1 0 0 0 1 1. We have to add it. So adjacent here will be, let me write the first one. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1, and the addend will be started from this end, so it will be from in reverse 1 1 0 0 0 1. So we have to add it. 1 plus 1 is this case, so here 0 will be written and 1 will get carry. Now here 1 plus 1, we got this scenario where 1 will be carry and again 1 is carry. This one is carry from this previous column. Now 1 plus 1 is this case. Here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry. So again 1 is carry. So 1 plus 0 0 will get us 1. 1 plus 0 will get us 1, and 1 plus 1 will get us 0 will be written and 1 will get carry. So 0, and here carry is 1. 1 plus 0 will get us 1, and as there is no, so it will be as it is. So here this one is equal to 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 and binary. Now another, we have to add 1 0 1 0 of binary plus 1 1 1 0. So here adjacent will be 1 0 1 0. We start adding from the wrong side, that is from the right side. So in reverse it is 0 1 1 1. But this isn't the right way to pronounce it that way. It can be pronounced from left. Okay? So now let's add 0 plus 0 will get us 0. 1 plus 1 is this scenario where we will write 0 and 1 will get carry. Now 1 plus 1 will also this, so we will write 0 and 1 will be carry, and here this scenario, so which get us 1 1. So this one is equal to 1 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 0 is equal to 1 1 0 0 0 to base 2. Now we include an example which involves point or decimal and number. We have to add binary number 1001.011 plus 100.110. Now it is same as earlier question we have done. So here adjacent will be 1, so 1001.011 plus, in this decimal number we have to take care of this point, so point will be as on its place, and here we have to write 0 0 1 and this part 1 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 will get us 1 1 and 1. We will have to write 0 and 1 will be carry, so 0 and 1. So 1 plus 1 will get us again 0, and 1 will be carry from decimal part, from fraction to integers, and a point will retain its place, so it will be point on its place, and then 1 plus 1 will get us 0 and 1 will be carry. Now here 1 1 and this one also 1. So the answer is 1110 to base 2. Now from all these examples we come to know that the sum of two binary numbers is calculated by the same rule as in decimal, except that the digits of the sum in any significant positions can only be 0 and 1 as we deal in binary numbers. Any carry obtained in a given significant position is used by the pair of digits one significant position higher. You can see all settings in those examples. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel for more lectures. So fellow problem solvers, are you ready for an exciting challenge? Let's tackle these fun and fascinating questions together and show up our amazing problem solving skills. You have got what it takes, and I believe in you. So don't be shy, share your answer in the comment section, and let's inspire each other with our brilliant solutions. Together we will conquer any questions that comes our way. Let's go for it. So ready, set, and solve. See you in next lecture. Thank you.